This is the last moment Jamal Khashoggi was seen alive. It's October the 2nd, 2018. The journalist who wrote for the Washington Post newspaper had gone to the Saudi consulate in Istanbul to get documents he needed for his wedding. His Turkish fiancée, Hatice Cengiz, waited for him outside. Turkish prosecutors say he was murdered, his body dismembered, and the remains never found. 20 Saudis indicted for murder are to be tried in their absence in a court in Istanbul. Police say security camera video and photographs show the Saudi suspects arriving in Istanbul on the day Khashoggi was killed. Other video evidence shows them checking into a hotel, going to the consulate before returning to the airport and leaving that night. Istanbul prosecutors accuse former deputy head of Saudi General Intelligence Ahmed al-Asiri and former royal advisor Saud al-Qahtani of instigating murder with monstrous intent. The 18 other defendants include this man, Meher Mutrab, who frequently travelled with the Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. Khashoggi's murder caused widespread revulsion around the world. He'd been in self-imposed exile for around a year because he was afraid of being arrested if he returned home. He'd formerly been close to the Saudi royal family, but in recent years became a vocal critic of the Saudi Crown Prince. Some Western governments and the CIA said they believe Mohammed bin Salman ordered the killing. The kingdom denies that. Last December, a Saudi court sentenced 5 men to death and 3 to jail after a long and secretive trial. The UN's special rapporteur on extrajudicial, summary or arbitrary executions, Agnes Kalamar, who completed a 6-month investigation into Khashoggi's murder, said the Saudi trial made a mockery of justice. None of the guilty were officially named. Last May, Khashoggi's sons said they forgave the murderers, but rights groups said the pardon had been forced. Kalamar said it was another Saudi example of a parody of justice. Turkey accuses the Saudi government of obstructing the murder investigation. The Saudis say the Istanbul prosecutor didn't comply with requests to share information. The Saudi Crown Prince has denied ordering the murder, but admitted bearing responsibility as the kingdom's effective leader, standing in for aging King Salman. Khashoggi's fiancée, Hatice Cengiz, says she hopes the trial will at least shed light on where his body is. Charles Stratford, Al Jazeera.